follow the sultry tone of my voice. No peeking.
Mason.
And open up. Ta-da! What do you think?
What was wrong with the old car?
Three little words, Dad. Two-wheel drive. Come on, get in. It's adjustable. Would you cut that out? It's like you release the anther. Whoa! Don't just sit there. Push the button.
I'll get it.
Ow!
Sorry. Hello?
Push the button! Don't touch anything. I'll do it. Get out of the car, please. Please get out of the car. Get out of my car! Get out of this! Get out of
That's weird. The airbag didn't go off.
I miss my old car. You know, the vroom vroom, clang clang, the bang bang.
You, wanna walk?